Grafana, Best Practices Guide. Learn to design, optimize, and secure Grafana dashboards effectively. Design dashboards that easy to navigate by focusing on user-friendly layouts and clear visualizations. Highlight key metrics and maintain consistent design elements throughout. Enhance dashboard performance by optimizing queries and reducing data load times. Implement caching strategies and regularly monitor performance to ensure smooth operation. Ensure dashboard security by setting up user authentication and defining access control policies. Protect sensitive data and keep security protocols up to date. Avoid common pitfalls by identifying frequent design errors and preventing data source misconfigurations. Regularly review dashboard usage and stay updated with best practices. Manage data sources efficiently by configuring them correctly and ensuring data reliability. Oversee data source connections and monitor their performance regularly. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you liked this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.